Hi everyone and welcome to my place. During lockdown I have had moments when I haven't been as sweet as I should and have decided that tonight I'm going to have a very nice romantic dinner. I don't have access to getting out to get flowers. It is the autumn here and all I've really got is a little bit of green. So I want to show you how to take a wine bottle with the label removed, which is the hardest part of this project, to take a candle, fill water with a little bit of, fill container with water, and I've just got some jasmine here, which is what I'm going to put into my bottles to create something simple yet visually beautiful for my table tonight. So fill the container with water, as I said, and then you've got the hardest, as I said, the hardest part of all of this was actually, believe it or not, as I said, getting rid of getting rid of the label, which I just soaked. Oops, I think I've just broken that. Yes, I have. So I'm just going to use these wee tweezers. You could use whatever you've got on hand. Put that down into there, and I'll just fill that up with more water. And sometimes, you know, a little bit of green and a little bit of glass can have something, you can create something very, very beautiful. And why not? You know, the simple things. And I was just thinking, if you were getting married and you were looking for something really lovely for on your tables, this could be beautiful. You could even put flowers into here if you wanted to. So very, very gently, just pushing that down into there. I love these simple ideas. Now, hold on. Gently, gently pushing that down and into there without breaking anything. Right, now by the time I put some more water in there, that will take it to the top. I must admit, I have quite liked being in my happy place, the kitchen. So look at that, there we have 3 of those. If I had different sizes, I would use the different sizes, but I only have those ones. Now the next thing to do is to put your candle into the top like so, and if it doesn't work, just get a knife and just score a little bit off 2 sides. Or you might need to go 3 sides, just enough to just make sure that that fits into there without falling in and keeping it quite neat. Oh, hold on, more. A little bit more, take those off there. Look at that, easy peasy. And then, if you wanted to, you could just tie, you know, a wee minute or 2 before, you could just put a little bit of, just before you sit to eat, you could just wrap a little bit around the edge here, just quite gently doing it. Of course, I've had this picked for a day or 2, but look at that, how you can just extend and extend and extend without actually spending any money, but still getting something that is a visual something of beauty to grace your table. I love these simple things. Look at that. That's fantastic. And the other thing that you could do is, I think that what could also be equally nice is having a whole heap of uneven sized jars or vases, but it's simple and it's effective, and that's what we want at this time of lockdown, isn't it? Hope you're safe. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you've got any ideas that you'd like me to have a go at so that I could share with everybody else, please drop me a line to astar'splace@gmail.com. Keep safe and I'll see you again soon.